Welcome to our YouTube channel, All America Selections Flowers and Vegetables. And I wanted to show off this 2017 All America Selections winner. This is the Celosia Asian Garden, bred by Murakami Seed. It's just an absolutely beautiful flower for your garden. It'll start blooming late spring or towards the end of September, and it's still going. And the beauty of this plant are just these wonderful flowers just cover the plants. They attract pollinators, they make really nice cut flowers, and this is a plant that will reseed itself. Everything that's growing in here came from seed from the original plant that sat right in that pot. So my second year growing, this all came from free seeding, and it was just so beautiful. I decided to leave it, and this section is actually an old fire pit. Stones, stays warm. The plant does really, really well. But this is a 2017 All America Selections winner, and if you want to add beautiful color, long-lasting blooms, flowering, and attract pollinators, I highly recommend the Celosia Asian Garden. Now, this is growing in the ground. Let me show you where I have it growing in containers. And we've been getting cold nights and the temperatures are changing. These guys do a little bit better because it stays warm around here with the stones. Let me show you the color of the foliage actually on these container plants. I just love the change of the foliage here to this nice red color. With the 40-degree nights, sometimes the container plants over here get stressed. They don't get the water that they need, but this plant holds up. As the cooler weather comes, you're going to see a change in foliage, but look at the beautiful flowers. The pink-purple flowers are still going, nice and tall, and that's in a 5-gallon container. You can also grow it in the flower box. There's a smaller plant right in there, a couple sitting in there. These were started from seed this year that I just dropped into the flower boxes. And even with the smaller containers, you still get these great purple-pink spikes of flowers, and they're going to last for several months in your garden. Highly recommend the Celosia Asian Garden, and please check out our YouTube channel. We don't run any YouTube ads, we just bring you great garden videos to help you in your garden and give you some ideas of plants that will do really well in your garden. And remember, when you plant an All America Selections winner, the proof is in the plant. You'll see how well it does in your garden.